Dears, hope you all are well. Today again we will discuss about chapter shapes and patterns. Okay dears, but today's topic is symmetry. Now dears, first let's see what is symmetry, and after that we will solve few sums. Okay dears, now what is symmetry? Dears, a figure which has a line of symmetry, okay, such kind of figures we call a symmetrical figure, okay, or a symmetry. Now you all will ask, what is line of symmetry then, isn't it? So dears, again a line of symmetry is nothing but a line which divides the figure into two equal parts. Okay, so I am doing on the board, you all be with me and watch carefully. Okay, so dears, I am drawing one square here. Okay, I may draw a square or a rectangle. I am drawing a square here. Okay, so dears, in this square can I divide it into two parts, isn't it? So if I draw a line like this, then what happened? These squares are divided into two equal parts. So the line which divides the square into two equal parts we call a line of symmetry. S-Y-M-M-E-T-R-Y. Okay, line of symmetry. And the figure we call symmetrical figure. Symmetrical figure. Okay dears, now I hope you all understood this, what is symmetry and a line of symmetry. Okay dears, suppose I am drawing one figure here like this. Dears, in this figure of flower, can you draw a line of symmetry? Are you able to draw any line of symmetry in this figure? I think so, no, isn't it? Because line of symmetry is something which divides the figure into two equal parts. So this flower, in any way, if I draw the line of symmetry, it's not dividing into two equal parts. So such kind of figures is called a non-symmetrical figure. Okay? Or this figure is not a symmetrical figure. Okay dears, so now let's practice few sums. Okay, these are very easy sums, so you all also practice. It is there in your textbook as well. Okay, so draw a line of symmetry to the given figures. Okay dears, to the given figures. So this figure is given to you. Dear, if I draw a line like this, dears, if I draw a line like this, will it divide this into two equal parts? No, isn't it? So we cannot draw line like this for a line of symmetry. So how we will draw? We have to draw a vertical line, isn't it? Then only this figure can be divided into two equal parts. I hope dear you all understood. So this is a line of symmetry. In figure M also, if I draw a line like this, horizontal line, will the horizontal line divide the figure into two equal parts? No, isn't it? So how we will draw the line? We will draw a vertical line here again. Okay dears, So when I draw this line, these lines divide this figure into two equal parts. Similarly, here also I will draw a vertical line, isn't it? To divide the figure into two equal parts. Okay, dears? To divide the figure into two equal parts. Now dear, here in figure 4, okay, here in figure 4, you all can draw a line in two ways, isn't it? Horizontal as well as vertical. Because when I am drawing line like this, vertically, this line divides the figure into two equal parts, isn't it? So I can draw a line like this. So this is one line of symmetry. Again, I can divide this figure into two equal parts by drawing a horizontal line. This is called horizontal line. So dears, this line is also divides the figure into two equal parts. So this is another line of symmetry, isn't it? So in this figure, how many line of symmetry are there? Two, isn't it? So dear, from here what we understood, that there are few figures where we can draw one line of symmetry, but there are few other figure also where you can draw two line of symmetry. Very good. Or you may draw 3 or 4 as well. Okay dears? For example, in equilateral triangle where all sides are equal, we can draw 3 line of symmetry. But in case of square, we can draw again 4 line of symmetry. I drawn here. Okay, this is 1 line of symmetry. This is 2 line of symmetry. Dears, in the square we can draw diagonals also. These are called diagonals. 3 line of symmetry, or we can draw it like that way also. 4 line of symmetry. Okay dears, I hope you all understood this. Okay, practice hard for your exam. Okay, so bye bye.